So, he stole my mandate. So, he stole my mandate. He stole my mandate. He stole my mandate. He stole my mandate.
So these female senators lost their seat owing to Obi dirty wave in Nigeria. Now let me just go straight to the first woman in my list is Princess Stella Odua. She's a Nigerian senator and former minister of aviation. She lost her seat to a candidate of APGA. So Stella Odua and Ebelechukwu Obiano, the wife of the former governor of Anambra State, they lost their seat to Honorable Tony Ngoye of Labour Party. He was declared winner of the Anambra North Senatorial District. Tony Ngoye defeated Aviation Minister Stella Odua, an immediate past First Lady of Anambra State, Mrs. Ebele Obiano, to win Anambra North Senatorial District. So we must also understand that Stella Odua led the rebellion against Peter Obi in the build-up to the PDP primaries. She was the one who negotiated with Anambra delegates on behalf of Nyesom Wike. She lost her election. She lost woefully to Labour Party candidate Tony Ngoye. So, as it depend them, it sweet us. As it sweet us, it depend them. That's what many obedience are singing for her right now. So another woman who lost her mandate or who lost her seat to a Labour Party candidate is Uche Lilian Ekunife. She's a Nigerian politician and ex-Nigerian senator representing the people of Anambra Central Senatorial District. She's one of the House's most active female senators. She has contested for the governorship position of Anambra State and she lost a good number of times. Uche Ekunife, on the other hand, she was among those who criticized Peter Obi. In fact, Uche Ekunife called Peter Obi a kindergarten president, obedience democracy. You know, she said Peter Obi is a baby president, kindergarten, kindergarten president. But she lost her seat. In fact, she finished distant third. So Victor Ume defeated Uche Ekunife, who called Peter Obi kindergarten politician and obedience mobocracy. But she finished distant third. Now we know who is a kindergarten politician. Recall that Uche Ekunife has been in the National Assembly for 16 years. She has served as a House of Reps member from House of Reps lower chamber, green chamber to red chamber. 16 years she's been at the National Assembly and she still wants to go ahead and contest. But unfortunately for her, Obi that wave swept her away. She couldn't stand it. Oluremi Tinubu, on the other hand, did not seek for re-election. Think Lagos Central Senatorial District, because of course she know her husband is going for the office of the president, and of course she can't combine serving as a senator and also the first lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Tinubu, while making his acceptance speech, already announced it to the senator that his wife won't be returning, as they shouldn't be expecting his wife Oluremi Tinubu, at the upper chamber, the National Assembly, because according to Tinubu, his wife Oluremi Tinubu will be his housewife and also in the other room. So another person on my list here is Senator Olujimi. She lost her return bid to APC's Adaramodu, the incumbent senator for Ekiti South Senatorial District and former Senate Minority Leader Biodun Olujimi. She lost her seat to the candidate of the All Progressive Congress and member of the House of Representatives, Yemi Adaramodu.
Nigerians, we don't want a kindergarten president. We want a strong president. We want a president that can address the issues. I want to tell you something. If somebody comes to sell himself as a candidate, tell that person to tell us solution. People should stop telling us the problems that we already know. We know we have problem in Nigeria. How to address this country. Therefore, we need a president that will come with solution. And I believe that Atiku has the solution to Nigeria problems. PDP, Ebeka.